the video on how to run CAIH, which is College Artificial Intelligence Helper, that is used for using AI to create exams or mock tests for you automatically. So this is the tutorial on how to run it or install it in your system. So first, you need to set up some stuff. First of all, being Python, which is given here in the README. And then you would need some level of version so that you could use it. As stated here, you can use 3.12 or higher. For this, you can try 3.14. And to check it, you can do Python 3. And then you will see that it's running in your system. Okay. And then as you can see here, this is outdated. You can try to go to the releases and go to version 1.0. Then download the source code. And now when you have the zip file, you can extract it and you can find it right here. Then go inside. You can see a lot of stuff in here. And the first of all you need to do is to install the required libraries. You could try right-clicking, then open in terminal. Most operating systems can support this. Once you're inside, you can check if your Python is working. Good. And if it is, the first thing you need to do is for Linux or Mac users, you're supposed to activate the Python environment by typing out python 3/mvnv, and then you can use any folder name. I'm going to do vnv, and then you can activate it. And now once you have it, you can see it right there. Then you can install the required libraries by copy pasting from the README. And then you can see here, you can just copy paste it and it would install everything for you. Once this is done, you're supposed to see it end right here. Next, you need to install a new program called Olama. One way to download it is by clicking here, download Olama. And then you can select from one of your choices. I choose Linux. For me, I'm installing it right here. It can vary from system to system, but for me, I'm using Linux. This is a very huge library, so please stay with the program during this installation. Okay, so now when it's installed, you're gonna do a little bit more command magic by pasting in from the README again this Olama pull Gemini 3 flash preview latest. This will grab the AI from Olama, and take into note you also need to create an account, and I promise you it is completely safe. Olama is a trusted source. It has been trusted for more than 3 years, I think. And now you already got stuff set up. The only thing you need to do now is to run it by doing streamlit run source main.py. And now it's all set up, and then you can choose any options you need to do. There's only 3 options as of the moment, so please be ready for new updates. And to try it out, I'm gonna do mathematics, do 20 questions, and then do 20 minutes. Then it will generate me an exam. in a couple of minutes. This is a very time-consuming process because AI is creating an exam for you as of this moment. So please be patient on AI and trust that it will work. And if you have any problems, you can leave it in the comments, and I will help you as soon as possible. Okay, so now I've got the questions working, and as you can see, it's 20 questions. And that you're supposed to answer it according to the time allotted for the exam. So for this, you can try to answer it, and I'll show my great math skills. That's gonna be, I forgot. Okay, so now I finished the exam, and I've got an 18 out of 20, and I can see all the answers, and I can see the correct answers. I can also see the wrong answers. And as you can see here, I did not answer this question. I did not do this one. And there's some unanswered questions. And then there will be keyword analysis. There is logical justification, distractor deconstruction. And it's very analytical based on the question that you have. And you can learn from it. And then after all of this, you can click go home. And then you're back where you came from. And then you can do it all over again. But take into note, it does not save the exams that you recently made. So please bear with that problem. Then you can review another exam, like efficiency and mathematics. As of this moment, there is not much variety on what type of questions that you can get. So you are bound on the development of the project. And that is it on College Artificial Intelligence Helper, or CAI. Thank you for watching.